Hello Achievers, welcome you all to Strategy Sangamam in the new segment Success Journey. How are you all? We all fine. What is that new segment? You might thinking, yes, this is our another useful new segment. Here we are going to focus about the various career oriented things like the interview things or maybe some business related informations or the important thing which is required for the business people or the job seekers or the people those who are going for a job or those who are trying to step up their life in a new level. So all the important things whichever is required for their successful career are the things here we are going to cover. So this segment Success Journey is completely in English and the same version will be in Tamil in the name of Achamindri Uchamthodu. So all the content which will be definitely helpful for you and we'll see each and everything in every new videos. So with such a good start, today we are going to see about SWOT. You started to thinking what is SWOT, right? Let me tell you. The SWOT is one of the very wonderful and the important thing required for every individual to identify themselves. Because before asking about ourselves, like how am I or what is the progress I am required, likewise, we should know about ourselves from our point of view. Because we are the person first know about ourselves completely than the other people. The SWOT is the analysis technique which is used to identify or which is used before taking an important decision to find or to identify what is needed or what is the current status of a thing or a person or a business. So this SWOT can be used for the individual point of view or the business point of view and in so many aspects. So all this thing we are going to see in each and every video in a detailed manner and definitely that will help you for your success journey. So this SWOT is about the detail which you want to know about yourself, like whom you are, who you are, where you are, how you are, like that. Because once we are very clear about ourselves, we will get a very good confidence of ourselves and that will help us to step up in further with a very confident manner. So that's why we decided to take the SWOT as a concept as the first thing to have in this new segment called the success journey. The SWOT is also called the SWOT analysis technique or the SWOT matrix technique. Let's see each and everything in a detailed manner with the abbreviation of the word SWOT like S, W, O and T. Let's see. This SWOT analysis is considered as a tried and true tool of strategic analysis. And let's see what is this term SWOT means. So this is the abbreviation for this term SWOT analysis. S stands for strength, W weakness, O opportunities and T threats. So we should know about our strength, weakness, opportunities and threats in a very clear manner. Like strength, what are all the positive things or the plus we have within us or which we have created so far. And the weakness, what is the minus point behind us? What is the weakness or what is the thing which we need to improve or concentrate? That is the weakness. And the third one is the opportunities. So we can tell these can be as an internal one and these things can be the external one. So the opportunities, what are the different opportunities we are having or it is possible to get through different sources. All these things can be considered as the opportunities. And the last one is the threats, the obstacles or the problems or maybe some negatives which is coming from outside source which is stopping us to do something. The threats, the obstacles or some disturbances which is stopping us to do something in a successful manner or which is making us to feel bad that we can't do or we should not do like that. So if we are decided to do this SWOT analysis, very important thing is we should spend a very big time. We should not rush up to complete this SWOT analysis. Let's take some example. Like if you want to do your SWOT analysis, like strength, weakness, opportunities and the threats. Take a piece of paper, sit separately, take your me time, and that is your individual own personal time to think what is your strength. Take an example, you are a job seeker. You are going to find a new job for development of your career. The job seeker. You should be very clear with your strengths. Like what are all the strengths? Example, you have some kind of degrees, some additional courses, the value added courses, some of the certifications. Maybe you might have some experience like your past work experience, or maybe your some college or your studies related experiences, or some project experiences, or some of the positive things which you have in your hand. So all that thing you should consider as your strength. You just started to list all of your strengths. And the next thing in the SWOT analysis is the weakness. We may have some weakness. Some examples like we may have some stage fear, or some kind of hesitations to do something, or to have a presentation. So we have to list all those things. So these are all my weaknesses. So once that is listed, we can concentrate in those areas to improve ourselves. And the next is the opportunities. Like what are all the different opportunities we are having. Like as we discussed earlier, you may have some opportunities in abroad, or maybe having a chances to do a business, or to join with some additional jobs or some additional things, or some of the opportunities which you can gain through the external sources. So that things and all you can list by your own. So by listing everything, we can able to understand what is our real situation, or what are our plus and minuses. And the last thing is our threats. Like what are all the threats, or what are all the obstacles we have in our life, like the different obstacles we have in our life, which is the thing stopping you to do something, or what are all the things make you feel negative or feeling uncomfortable from the external sources. So all this thing is covered under the SWOT analysis. Once we started to list it, we can able to understand what is each and everything and in which area we need to concentrate. If you are good in your positives like the strength and opportunities, we can concentrate more on that, and we can improve ourselves in a very good manner. At the same time, if we are having some of the negative like the weakness and the threats, we have to concentrate more on those area by improving ourselves. Example, if I am having a stage fear, I have to practice more and more. So that practice will make me to give a very good result. Likewise, once after having the list of the entire SWOT, we have to go through it thoroughly. Like whether we have missed it somewhere, or we left to include some of the information, or any overrated things. Likewise, we have to go through the list in a thorough manner. Once after having a clear idea that this is what my SWOT list and this is what my SWOT matrix, we have to start to check each and everything, like as we said, one by one. What all the plus we need to improve it further, and what are all the minuses we need to concentrate more to improve ourselves by doing practices, or maybe attending the additional courses, or maybe making some discussion with some of the people to improve yourself in those weak or some like obstacle areas. One important thing is, this SWOT analysis is not a instant work you have to complete. You should take some pleasant time to think about yourself. Then only the points or the things will come to our mind to list it without leaving any of the important points. Take a sheet of paper, divide this thing, or take a separate segregations of paper or separate pages, list all the thing, and just imagine whenever you feel about the SWOT, like whenever you have a points to list in the SWOT analysis, you just come and write it down. or maintain in a small diary to list all this thing. And another important thing is this is to know about ourselves. So no need to discuss with other people to prepare this SWOT analysis, right? Here is the quick and easy understandable example to know what is SWOT analysis, how you can prepare, and how to get a result out of it. So here I have taken an example of a marketing executive. Imagine you are a marketing executive. So here you are going to list all your SWOT, like the strength, the weakness, the opportunities, and the threats. So some of the listed strengths like the degrees with good score, the value added courses, the good communication, the presentation skill, and the family support. And the weaknesses like stage fear, hesitation to start a work or to meet a new people. And opportunities, what are all the opportunities I have? The abroad opportunity, new company opportunity, the business opportunity, and the promotion opportunities. And some of the threats or obstacles which is stopping you to do something. So let's see the strength. Imagine you have a very good score with your degree, and you have so many value added courses, and your communication is very good, and you have a very good presentation skill, and all to that you have a very good family support. So all these things are your strength. That is your plus or the positive thing you have in your hand, which is the very strongest thing you have in your hand. That is your strengths. And if you are coming to the next thing, that is the minus point of view, that is the weaknesses. You have some stage fear. I am having a good communication skill. I can speak well, and also I can present well, but I have a stage fear. What we need to do? We have to practice further and further. We have to practice more and more. So that practice will make us to find a better or a good result. So by the way, you can avoid this stage fear. And you have a hesitation to start work or to meet some people. Because being a marketing executive, you need to meet so many people in your day-to-day life for the business purposes or the work purposes. So definitely you should avoid these weaknesses. Then only you can survive in the job or maybe in that particular work. So how you can stop this, or how you can erase this weakness? You have to practice by yourself, like preparing yourself in mind. If I have this hesitation, how could I meet the people, or how could I start the job? So you can have a trial, or you can make yourself by practicing. Again the same thing, you have to practice by yourself, and definitely you can able to change this minus into the positive one. And the next thing is the opportunities. You have abroad opportunity, you have an opportunity from a new company, the business opportunity, or maybe the promotion. So out of this, let's take one instance, like the promotion opportunity. So your company is going to give a promotion to one of the people out of 3. That is, you and some of your colleagues are in the final list of who is going to promote to the next level. So this thing you have to think. So these are the weakness I have. If I am clear with this, definitely I will get a promotion in the company. So you have to change all this thing to get the promotion. Likewise, if you have a new company opportunity, so definitely you can think and you can change all this thing, and you have all the positive things in hand to achieve and to get a good new job opportunity. And the last one is the threat. The obstacles, that is, something is stopping you, or some person is stopping you to do something or to perform something, some of your competitive colleagues, or maybe some of the other people or something. Take an example, some travel. You are traveling along to reach your office, or maybe your working hours, because being an executive, all these things are common. So you have to think, this thing is stopping me and making me tired to do my work in a comfortable and a easy manner. So what you can do? You can shift your work, like your stay place, or you can find a new source of transport. So these items or these ideas will change you to cross or avoid these threats or the obstacles to perform your work in an effective manner. So this is the quick chart to understand what is SWOT analysis, how you can prepare, and how you can get out from all the negatives to improve yourself in a positive way. So this SWOT analysis is the very useful technique to know about ourselves by finding the plus and minuses. Let's have a try and we'll find what to do and what not to do. Okay, achievers. Hope you all got a very clear idea about the self SWOT analysis, and definitely this will help you to know about yourself. And from the next video, that is in our next video of success journey, let's have a discussion about the same SWOT analysis in another aspect, like how it is useful to expand our business, or maybe to run our business in a successful manner, and for the other aspects. Okay friends, take time to complete this SWOT analysis technique to know about yourself, and mention your experience in the comment box. Hope you all like this video, and like, share and subscribe our channel Strategy Sangamam, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future notification. Shatter the breakbends and relish your success journey. See you all soon in our next wonderful video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.